Hello, I'm Eric Martin Johnson at Sotheby's International Realty here in gorgeous San Francisco, and I am pleased to show you my latest listing. It is a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condominium at one of the most prestigious residential buildings in the Soma South Beach area of San Francisco called the Brannan. Some of my favorite luxury details in this home include custom woodwork and Sotheby screen doors, and even a projection screen TV which drops down from the ceiling. There are so many beautiful details that it's a must for you to come and take a look at this property. So please come to one of my open houses or call me for an appointment. I'm Eric Martin Johnson at Sotheby's International Realty in San Francisco. So if you're a clothes horse like I am, you will love this amazing custom closet system that is located in the master bedroom. It is made by Studio Becker, a very high-end cabinet maker, and it has gorgeous wood inlay details and beautiful leather pulls on the drawers. I just think that this home is perfect for somebody who has discerning taste and really only wants the best.